in. George, GVV, come in. Over. George, this is Max. Repeat. Over. Oh, George, you're right next to your boat. Get in your boat, man. Over. George, get in your boat. Over. If you don't get in your boat, your life could be... Over. Okay. George got a lot of guts. Okay, folks, stay in your seats. Remain calm. We'll hide you behind these gasoline drums.
Oh my gosh.
We got some bait attached to that yellow barrel at the end of the dock. If the shark hits the bait, we could gain control. It took the bait and the dock with it, causing the gasoline to leak, which is a good thing because sharks are sensitive to smell, and it'll probably swim away once it detects that. Oh.
Oh.
What is that back by George's boat?
Toast.
Do you guys see that back there by George's boat? What is it? Oh, no, it's right here.
Oh my god.
Alright, folks. Y'all just met Bruce. These are all my shark. I have a science trivia question for everybody on